My name is Ingo Stahlkopf, Head of Sales at Optris.
My name is Mike Lippe. I'm an international sales engineer here at Optris.
We show you some basics of temperature measurement on glass, but for sure we want to keep close to real application. Whenever we look with an infrared device on the surface of the glass, it's actually easy. You will get some information on it, but in fact, to get a precise measurement, and that's what we actually are talking about today, there are some things to observe for a precise measurement.